Welcome to PiggyPower. What we have here for you is financial mistake number... I've lost count. But this is a Peugeot 204, 1975-ish, 1.1 litres of mad fury, about 55 horsepower, 850 kilos. Well, it was out the factory anyway, it's lost a little bit of that weight. It's not completely rotten, that's the magical thing for this one. I bought it sight unseen, so I hadn't seen it, and I bought it, and it arrived yesterday. Then we had Storm Eunice, hello! Then we had Storm Eunice. Thankfully nothing fell on it. It's a good start. Let me show you around the old beast. I'm gonna get the old power barn open in a minute, as Derek would say, but before we do that, maybe we'll head to the boot, because I know it might run. I've seen it running on a little camera, and I also know that pretty much doesn't roll. We had to kind of drag it off the truck. So, work to be done, I'd say. But it's MOT and tax exempt, and it's on the insurance, so just gotta get it running, we can drive it. Hey! People just stop driving, thank you. So in the style of vice grip, he always suggests checking the boot first. And there's surprises then, if there's something in here that's missing over there, it's gonna be in here, or something like that. Now I haven't found any keys yet, so let's hope. That's a good start. Oh! This is a very good start. Whoa! Spring actuated. Ooh, nice. This is the worst of the rot. I knew this was here. Pretty much the whole lip looks like that's gone. Yeah. Hopefully not into the body so much. Just a bit of a lip that wants welding in. That's fine. Oh, that's not so fine, but we can deal with that. Or ignore it. Right, what have we got? We've got a jack. It's interesting. Number plate. Broken light. Someone's chased on that, that's good. Lead substitute. Oh, there's a tiny bit of that in there, that's handy. We're going to get some more of that, because it's old. What we got? We've got an air filter housing, lid, some other old pipe work. Concerning we've got a brake drum, but we don't have any other major parts in here. It's nice to see we've got some caps. Shiny. It's nice. I'd be a bit upset if I'd lost those, because I've got two others on the wheels that I've spotted. And that's the original tyre for the boot. Oh, that looks like the original 1976 tyre as well, cross-ply. So that'll get changed on. Right. Is this the little... Oh, that's that wire. That's for the little pulley thing. Oh, that's still there. Oh, that's cool. Ah, oh, yeah, the little... There's got a little latch release on these for the spare tyre. That's cool. And it works. That's pretty amazing. Listen. And then you just drop your spare tyre down. That's cool. Wow. Okay, and then the tank. Wow. Well, the tank looks rotten, if I'm honest. But we can fix on that. It's, other than... I'm hitting metal. This is good. This is good. This is... Oh, more lead replacement. We've got a cap of some sort. Is that the fuel cap? Maybe? Maybe a fuel cap? Oh, we've got a shiny one on there, a locking one, but that looks like a fuel cap as well, I think. We'll find out later. Oh! More lead replacement. Well, that's nice. We've got a big... Every French car should have. Nice big warning cone. And have we got more rust? No, we haven't. It's looking good. Looking good, people. Right, well, that's a good thing. Let's have a look what's in the rest of the car. I think we'll find some keys, smell what the interior is like, and then we'll look in the power barn, as Derek would say. Nice original stickers here. We'll try and keep those. It's good. Chrome trim needs a polish. Paintworks, as you can. It's rough, but there's paint. This is probably the worst of the body around the back here. There goes some of it. I think it's thin, but we can work with it. Right, let's have a look inside. Let's get the whiff, the first whiff. I'm quite disappointed really. I was expecting cheese and wine and BO, but no. Just smells like old 70s vinyl. No wear on the seat, that's nice. No rips, no tears. It's a bit peely, but we can glue that back on. Power windows, powered by human. That's nice. Oh, I can see parts. That's a choke cable. We have original manuals, 204 manual, in French, Italian, German, perfect. And a bit of an old Haynes manual maybe. That's cool. Little basket for stuff. Very nice. Hazards don't work. That's fine. I think that might be where the choke cable goes. Lovely chrome. I love that. I love how much space there is actually. It's good. Let's get in the driver's side. If you're a fan of vice grip, this is the drinker's side, and we're going to go and try driver's side. Ooh, levers. I wonder what they do. They look exciting. Do we have a floor? Yeah. Hang on. Yep, that's a floor. That's a floor. Oh, that smells bad. I don't think there's any mice. Oh, there is mice. There's mice. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's a bit of chrome trim for the boot. And there's another piece of chrome trim, and that looks important. Maybe a piece of the carb? Maybe. Oh, that's the chrome trim. Very nice. Oh, sport checker plate. Nice, must be the sport model this. Captain side. For Americans, it's the correct side. For Europe, it's the correct side. For us, in England, wrong side. But it's not like an easily, just change it over. It's not Lego. So let's get in. Right. Similar story on the door seal. Need a new door seal. That's fine. That is as brittle as Bakelite. Cooked in the oven. Set to dry. Right. Alloy trims, I didn't spot that. Are they the same on the back? Back door doesn't open, that's fine. Let's have a little look again. Look at that. Look at that. Are you looking at it? I'm looking at it. That's not worn out at all, that's like new. And the pads? Wow. Well, those pedals look like new to me. So it's got 55,000 kilometers on the clock. And I think I've got to believe it. There's not enough wear and tear on stuff, unless it's all been replaced. 55,000 kilometers, which I think is about 35,000 miles, 34,000 miles, something like that. Oh, what have we got here? That's a battery terminal. Very nice. That might tell a story. There's a piece of lead. Don't know what that's for. Sève Marshall. This is Sève Marshall. No keys yet. We do have a free tool. Oh, T20 with extension. Winning. Okay. Can a little play with the clocks. Oh, that's nice. Set them to 0. We've got a battery gauge, oil temperature and fuel gauge by the look of it. Oil temperature, oil pressure, or is that coolant? Maybe coolant temperature, battery, little lights and a clock. So presumably so you can time the 0 to 60 in hours. Right, let's see. Oh, that's stiff, but let's see what's going on under the power barn. So we've got 2 keys. They look decidedly very different. Let's see if I can show you actually. You can see that? That is funky design. I've never seen a key like that one before. So I'm presuming one's for locks and one's for ignition. Go straight in the ignition. Well, you can't start twice. It's interesting, but that does work. Column shift, if you've not noticed. So that's nice. Handbrake's down. That's normal. You might leave it in gear. Doesn't seem to want to stay in gear, but maybe that's normal if the engine's not running. Don't know. Okay, that's cool. Let's not try the locks. If they've not been tried in some time, I'm a bit nervous about it. Yeah, let's not try them. Let's put them in my pocket. Right, to the front. Before we get to the front, if you've not noticed already, it does look very original. So that cap, we noticed there was a couple of caps missing. There. The tyres are down, but they're ancient. All the chrome trim is on this side, and the other side, the missing bits are inside the car. That's a win. So far, very, very original, and that's important to me, really, for 76, to find it all original. Now, the coolest part of this car, other than it came from France, and it still has original plates from France, oh, check out that badge. In my opinion, that is the greatest badge Peugeot have ever made. It looks so cool. Gold, for the win. Sets off really nicely on this white car. Right, okay, before we lose sunlight, we're going to find out what's going on. It looks like it's been pushed down one too many times on the front, and it's torn on the bonnet, which is a bit of a shame, but it gives a story. We can fix on that. Can beat it straight. Put a bit of glue or spot weld behind, that's fine. Oh, I'm loving that. Automatic bonnet upholdery thing. Yes, that's a win. We have a battery. That's going to be dead. On initial inspection though, I've got no idea what's going on. But hey, it doesn't, I wouldn't know if something was missing, to be honest. Apparently there's some cables back here that look crunchy. Don't think they're meant to be crunchy. We've got I think that might be the throttle. We've got, can't get that off, that's fine. Have we got any fluid in it? Yes. Bit of antifreeze as well, so that might be all right. That might have saved a few things from corroding inside. That's nice. Fuel pipe is cut off. Apparently it's been running. We'll soon find out. Nice to see original plates on it and chassis number stamped in, stickers. That's cool. And I think the jack for the jack wind thing goes in here. That's a spark plug tool with a little original sticker for information. That's really, really cool. Some original stickers here. Original Peugeot sticker here for service instructions. That's really cool. And underneath, yep, there's an underneath. 1.1, very cool. It's nice. Has it got any brake fluid? That'd be interesting. If I can open it. Okay, this might tell a bit of a story here. Oh, hello. Oh, well, hello. Oh, it's a hydraulic clutch. No. Well, I'm seeing it, so I've got to believe it, haven't I? Wow, hydraulic clutch, the external lever. Wow, look at that. And there is fluid, and it's not nice, but it's, there's fluid. So there's not a major leak, I would say. Could be a leak in the clutch as it's gone just below the clutch, but at least it's external cylinder. That is a win. Total win. It looks a bit, I don't know for sure, but it looks a bit like the Mini design where the gearbox is like part of the block. I have no idea about these engines, by the way. You can probably already tell. A mechanical fuel pump, that should save some hassle. That's quite a cool little thing down there. I like that. Fan blades are all in place. Again, pretty incredible. Is that what I think it is? So you've got a belt drive going this way, and then it twists through 90 degrees. Oh, wow, that's terrible. I mean, it'll work, but that's fine. What else? Oil filter, easy to get to. Not much else to say, really. I'm worried that's going to break. That's the screen wash. Everything appears to be here. This is lovely and original. And I tell you what, I've just spotted. That's a lovely sticker right there. That's a cool piece of history. So this is why I'm at this point just want to tidy it up and recommission it, because if we take this bonnet off and we blast it and clean it and repair it and then paint it, you lose stickers like this, which 34,937 kilometers. I can't quite read the date. 5th of the something. But that's a service sticker, probably from Peugeot themselves, Castrol sticker from 34,000 kilometers. That is really cool. And you've got these stickers down here, all original. It's very cool. And it is solid underneath. So the reason I've got this is, while some might be thinking that was a financial mistake, one, you don't know how much I paid. Too much. Two, I think there's a lot of potential. Now, of all the 204s that I've personally seen, they've all been cabriolets and all completely rotten. What I didn't check was on the accelerator pump. Oh, well, the choke moves nice and freely. Well, that is squirting fuel in, so there must be a little bit left in the bowl. That's a good sign. Original tags for it, so there should be life in that. I have seen a short video of it running. When that was, maybe this year, maybe 8 years ago, don't know. Imported in 2003 from southern France, been in the garage for about 10 years, and I've got it now. And we're going to put it on the road. So, what do you want me to do with it, is the question, I suppose. So what should we do with it? Well, you put down in the comments. This is early stages. I haven't recorded this months ago. The date this went out is just a few days after I've recorded it. As you can see, it's been polished a little bit. Do we repair some of the rust on it? Oh, how far do we go? Underside's really solid. It's completely original. I haven't really found any missing parts as yet. I know it can run pretty simply, so we're going to order service bits, new brakes, new tyres, new battery, put all that on it, see if it drives. Probably some wiper blades. All the glass is original and no cracks and chips. It's got a manual sunroof that we haven't tried yet because it's feathery, and if I can't shut it, we're done. So you tell me, put in the comments, what would you like to see done with this car? 1976 204. Do I just, you know, potter around, see you at Pugfest maybe, go up the hill in it, and then pass it on to someone who would like to keep it in, you know, their life, make a chapter in their life, keep it in the family, go for trips in France? You tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.